Welcome to the further demonstration of vehicle tracking system using Arduino Nano. So here we are going to track the vehicle. This system is going to be placed inside the vehicle. So it consists of GPS to get the location values from the satellite, and also GSM modem to get the replies, and also LCD to display the latitude and longitude values. This is a 16:2 LCD display, and this is the breadboard. Just in order to distribute the 5 volts power supply throughout these modules. So we are using this as a breadboard connection. So parallelly we are going to provide the 5 volts power supply input. So from this adapter, so we are going to give the input of 230 volts, and we can in real time we can connect this USB cable to the power bank also, or else in car battery slot charging section. And this adapter will take the input of 230 volts and output is 5 volts regulated power supply. So parallelly we are going to distribute the particular 5 volts power supply to the Nano, GSM, GPS and LCD display. So when we switch on the kits, so it will get the latitude and longitude values from the satellites. So we need to place these kits under the sky view, because the GPS will work under the trilateration methods, nothing but it will it need 3 satellites at least to get the exact location of this particular GPS receiver, and based on that it will provide the latitude and longitude values to the Nano board. And when we send the message of WRU, the small letters, to this SIM card which is inserted into the GSM modem, so it will reply to that particular number by forming the particular latitude and values in a Google Maps link. And also continuously we are going to streaming the data on the LCD screen. Whenever we receive the message, so-called number and the message data will be displayed on the LCD screen. So before switching on these kits, first we need to insert a valid SIM card. Better to use Airtel or VI or BSNL other than Jio, and it should have the validity and main balance or a message balance. This is very important. After inserting that SIM card, place the kits under the sky view near the window, and then you can give the power supply to the system. So once the power supply is given, we can see the welcome message on the LCD screen. So it will take at least 5 minutes to get the satellite signal. So meanwhile, let me explain you the connections, and also till get the signal it will display the LCD screen messages. And so coming to the connections, the interfacing connections, pin number 2 to pin number 7 is interfaced to the LCD module, and a GPS interface at 9th pin of our Nano board, and GSM interface at 0 and 1. There's a hardware TX RX pins to the Nano board. So right now we got the satellite signal. So as we can see that there will be a light indicated on the GPS. It will represent us like it got the satellite vision, and we can see the live latitude values on the LCD screen. Now we need to send the message of WRU to the number. So once the message was sent, so the same number from which it got the message displayed on the LCD screen along with the message data, the message body, and it will reply to us again. Right, we got the reply. Okay, and now just click on that. It will directly leads to the Google Maps in your smartphone. Right, so this is the exact location where we are. We can see that the HOS Technologies, this is our current location of the vehicle. So if the vehicle is moving, automatically the point also will move, and when we send the WRU to the system, to the SIM card, it will reply to us on the spot. So that's why it should have the main balance or a message balance. Thank you.